Guys, I'm Ninja, and this is my first car video. I just got some bride seats for my Miata, so I'm going to install them and make a video out of it. And if you guys like these videos, I'll do more of them. If not, you can tell me and I won't. And yeah, let's go get started. They're bride Lomax. Pretty sick, they're brand new. Should look good in there. So almost got the first bolt out, and I'll go back to you guys when I get this all four out. Success! Look how dirty this carpet is. There's like a bullet. I need to vacuum this. So I'm gonna go get the vacuum. Yeah, it's really nasty. Sorry for the, oh wow, that's way overexposed. Sorry for the bad quality up to now. I forgot to put my mic on. So now it's on, so now the sound quality should be good. Got the vacuum, so I'm gonna vacuum this real quick because it's really bad, and I found a bullet in there, so that's encouraging. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'll get back to you. So what I've done here is to get my seat mounted onto here. I'm probably gonna have to drill some holes in my sliders to mount those little brackets over there. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to get it kind of what it would look like in there, so when I put it together, it'll fit my car. So I've kind of like ghetto rigged two pieces of wood clamped onto the slider to like keep it square, kind of. I mean, it's not very square, but it should help for a mock-up. So yeah. Alright, so fast forward like an hour. We got these bolted in here. We didn't have to drill any holes, but it kind of took some manipulating and cutting bolts that we have. So now we're gonna stick this in here into the car and hope everything lines up. These bolts aren't tightened yet. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna take the seat back out and make sure everything's nice and tight. But it looks super sick in there. So I'm gonna start on the passenger side once I get this all in.
I'll stay here tonight just to know that you're fine. Look in your eyes and you look in their mind. She's trying to pick locks with no feelings inside. Emotional mirages dappled in wine, no good with love, that's for sure. I've been the disease and you could be the cure. Kinda hard to tell from the bed to the floor. Just asking for more than I'm out the door. Spoiled rich girl with a daddy's car, never knows what it means to work. Calling me over at 10 in the morning, I can't, I guess I'm a jerk. Just been working to work overseas. She doesn't see what I see in me. Chasing scenery so that
Yummy.
Yes, I'm a jerk, just been working to work overseas. She doesn't see what I see in me. Chasing scenery so that it's clear to see I can't stay here, I'm destined to leave. Regardless, ignoring the fact, she keeps coming back. She knows where I'm at. I know she's a catch, but I'm trying to latch to this dream I've been holding intact. Falling like dominoes, I'm like dominoes. To the restaurant we always go. But you know I can't stay here long, but that's just how it goes.
Hair flip.
Okay, there's the slider. It looks really messy right now, but get it all mounted up. Goodbye stock seats. Selling these on Craigslist. If anyone wants to buy them, hit me up. Don't need them anymore since I got these. So yeah, otherwise I might just make some really cool chairs for my room out of them or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started with this, and yeah, see you in a bit.
back end first. So we can slide it in under the steering wheel. That one won't go in.
Never doing 9 to 5s, I'm never living like a puppet. Drowning all my doubts, now I'm sailing right above it. Used to hate it, now they love it. But no one saw it coming, I've been busting all these tables just to give my mom something for her birthday. The one that motivates me on my worst day. I wonder what she thinking when this song plays. I wonder what she thinking when this song plays. Yeah, I've been fighting for
I actually love it where it is right now. If I actually go, no, I don't want it that far back. It's pretty good. Get all the gas pedals and stuff. It's even better. Alright, I think I got it where I want it. Let's hope the thing shuts here. Hold on. Ooh. Okay. It still like kind of hits, but alright, cool. So I got it in. It's all where I want it to be. Sitting way lower, which is awesome. I love kind of being lower in the car, so this is definitely an improvement over the stock seats. They're super comfortable. Highly recommend these. They're Bride Lomax. The guy I bought them from, they have all the signs that they're real. They even have like the Bride coat on the bottom and stuff, so I'm assuming they're real. Unless they're like really good reps, which I kind of doubt. But anyways, this feels awesome and I'm super stoked. Make sure to subscribe to me if you want to see more videos like this. I post scooter stuff mostly. And if you guys like these car videos, I'll do it. I have harnesses. I'm going to order some harnesses. Let me know what I should get in the comments. So yeah, I'm going to order those soon. If you guys like these videos, I'll make a video installing them. And I'm going to get either a full roll cage or just a hard dog roll bar. Depends. I'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Drexler_Scoots. Subscribe. Like this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.